Hey guys, it's Eric, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this OBSBOT 4K webcam. Now this is a pan and tilt webcam. There's some awesome features that I heard about and seen some other people talk about, where you can do like hand signals, and this will automatically like zoom in, zoom out, depending on those hand signals. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we get in here. Other than that, I don't know much about this. I know it's a webcam. I've been meaning to do some more live streaming here on Amazon and possibly other websites too, or maybe YouTube. So I figured, hey, might as well try out a new awesome webcam, because a lot of people seem to like this thing. If I can get it open. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, got the first box. It's a box within a box. Okay. Video calls with freedom. Okay, this seems like a bunch of paperwork. Let's see what we get in here. Probably some stickers or something like that. Nope, just paperwork and an instruction manual. No stickers. I always like stickers. Ooh, didn't expect this. Nice little case here. I like that. I could definitely use a nice little case for it, especially when I'm traveling. All right, nothing else in the box. Let's unzip this. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. All right, let's see what the goodies are first. This felt like some type of magnet. Oh, it is. All right, I have no clue what this is. It seems to be some type of stand. I think this is the thing that goes over your computer. Not quite sure how this gets set up. We're trying to figure it out. Let's see what other goodies we have here. This looks like some type of USB adapter. USB-A to alright, so we have a male USB-A to a female USB-C. So I have a feeling the wire that they use here is probably USB-C. Yep. Alright, so the wire here is USB-C to USB-C. Very cool. That's good. Glad they included an adapter, because all my USB-C ports are taken up. And then this is some type of power. So USB-A to some really small barrel connection. All right, so those are all the accessories. Now it's time to check out the camera. This thing is really, really small. Oh my God. This thing is really small, and it's definitely moves, and that's how I just dropped it. Doesn't look like I did any damage to it, but this is cool. All right, let's see if it makes any sound. No real sound. So here's your 4K camera, pan and tilt. Very cool. And I think this is a sensor right here. I'm not quite sure what type of sensor it is. And then on back, you have USB-C, and then you have your barrel connection right there. So I'm wondering if you need to use both of these. That would not be the best solution. Hopefully all the power goes through the USB-C. Wow, it might not be enough power. All right, so I'm assuming this is magnetic. Let's take a look. It is, and this will go over your computer, probably like that, and then this will go on the back of your laptop or your iMac, wherever computer, your monitor, and this will have double-sided adhesive on that side. So this goes on top, and then you can take this on off as need be. So very, very cool little product. Can't wait to get this thing up and running, get this in my live streams. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.